Losing all your keys to a 2007-2010 Saturn Sky can be a headache. This video guides you through DIY transponder key programming when all keys are lost. These models use GM's immobilizer system, requiring key RFID chips to match the car's ECU and BCM. Doing it yourself is possible, but demands technical knowledge and caution. Mistakes can leave your car inoperable. A transponder key is equipped with a passive RFID chip, typically encrypted with 46-bit or 60-bit security. This chip remains dormant until activated by the vehicle's security system. When the key is inserted into the ignition, it comes into proximity with the immobilizer antenna coil. The RFID chip is activated and communicates wirelessly, transmitting a unique encrypted code to the vehicle's engine control unit. The engine control unit compares this code with its stored values. If there's a match, the immobilizer system allows the engine to start, enabling normal vehicle operation. In all keys lost situations, programming requires accessing the vehicle's EEPROM memory chip. Old key data must be erased, and new transponder keys programmed to synchronize with the security system. Programming transponder keys for the Saturn Sky requires specific tools. Let's explore the essential equipment needed for a successful DIY attempt. First, you'll need an OBD2 scanner compatible with the ELM327 protocol. This connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and allows communication with the engine control unit. Apps like TorquePro work with Bluetooth adapters to read vehicle data and perform programming. A key programmer or diagnostic tool is essential. Devices like the Constor K518 Pro or Autel MaxiCom can handle immobilizer programming for GM vehicles, including the Saturn Sky's Passkey 3 system. You'll need blank transponder keys compatible with your Saturn Sky. These contain RFID chips that must be programmed to match the vehicle's immobilizer. They typically cost $20 to $50 each and come in various designs. Software is crucial for programming. Free options like OpenOBD or paid tools like LaunchX431 provide GM-specific modules for key programming and diagnostics. These work with your OBD2 scanner to interface with the vehicle's systems. Basic electronics skills are helpful, especially soldering for advanced EEPROM access. This may be needed to read or reset the immobilizer data stored in the vehicle's modules. Software can help locate EEPROM chips on the circuit board. The programming process begins with accessing the vehicle's EEPROM through the OBD2 port. This diagnostic interface allows you to read and modify the immobilizer data stored in the vehicle's memory. Next, use specialized software to generate a new key code. For Saturn Sky models, you'll need a 10-digit PIN for the immobilizer reset, which can be obtained from the vehicle's VIN or calculated using compatible tools. Now, program the new key or keys and sync them with the body control module. This involves writing the generated code to blank transponder keys and ensuring they communicate properly with the vehicle's security system. Finally, test the ignition to confirm everything is synchronized. Turn the key in the ignition multiple times as specified in the procedure to ensure the immobilizer recognizes the new key and allows the engine to start. Many users have successfully reprogrammed Saturn Sky transponder keys using affordable adapters and apps. They calculate the PIN through online VIN decoders to bypass the immobilizer system. However, using low-quality tools can corrupt the vehicle's EEPROM memory, making the car inoperable and requiring costly dealer intervention for reset. Open-source programming projects offer free scripts specifically for Saturn Sky models, potentially saving hundreds of dollars compared to professional dealership services. Overall success rates for DIY key programming improve significantly when using high-quality, reliable tools rather than inexpensive alternatives. One major pitfall is incorrect programming, which can damage your vehicle's engine control unit or body control module, potentially making the car inoperable. It's crucial to ensure you legally own the vehicle before programming keys. Unauthorized reprogramming could lead to legal problems or void warranties. Double-check your tool's compatibility with the Saturn Sky model. Using incompatible tools can brick your ECU, requiring expensive professional repairs. Be very careful with cheap tools. Many failures occur because of software bugs or hardware limitations in low-cost programmers. Take your time during the process, and if you're unsure about any step, consult a professional to avoid costly mistakes. Experts emphasize caution when programming transponder keys, especially for all keys lost scenarios. Always verify that your tools are compatible with the 2007 to 2010 Saturn Sky's GM immobilizer system to prevent errors. Professional diagnostic scans are highly recommended to avoid complications. These scans can identify potential issues before you begin programming and help ensure the vehicle's systems are ready. Misprogramming can result in costly immobilizer failures, potentially requiring dealership intervention. The engine control unit or body control module might need replacement if damaged. If this is your first time attempting key programming, seek guidance from experienced individuals. Consider letting a professional locksmith or mechanic perform the task to avoid risks. In summary, key takeaways include always verifying tool compatibility, considering professional help for complex tasks, and remembering that improper programming can cause expensive damage to your vehicle's systems.